using colored pencils to find the colors of your block. I will make the same colors as the pattern. Organize your color coding chart so that you don't get the colors mixed up when you sew. You can paint the squares, glue pieces of fabric, or, like me, create a colorful hatch. Take the fabrics you have chosen. Paint your templates according to the color coding chart. The templates already come with hatching, and this step is not necessary. But I prefer to do it this way so that I don't run the risk of changing colors, but do it the way it works best for you. Cut the templates on the foundation paper, leaving a small margin all around. Do this for all the 4 templates. Cut each piece of the template on the printer paper. This will help you cut the fabrics correctly. Follow in descending sequence, from the highest number to the lowest. Thanks for watching.